Okay, so today we're doing a hyperdoc on NC history. So we're going to learn a little bit more about the history of our state. So I'm going to go through the explore and the explain parts of our slideshow, which you should have already gone through, but if you haven't yet, this is going to help you out a little bit. It's going to give you some guidance on how to do it, okay? So when you get to explore, it says choose a person, event, or idea from one of these websites. So I chose the Encyclopedia Student Collection. So I clicked on that. And so now I'm on this page. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to decide that I want to do a person. So I'm going to look under biographies and see what sounds interesting to me. I'm going to go with Charlotte Hawkins Brown, African American educational leader. So I'm going to click on her name. And then once I get to this page, I'm going to read this full article. Okay, read the whole thing before you start on anything else. After I'm done reading, I'm going to go to our class slideshow, which is linked in our explain. And then you can also remember we have the Epic link and the NC Digital Kids Library that you can use to help you find some more information as well on your person, your event, or your idea. So after that, I'm going to go to the slideshow and I'm going to complete my slide. So first, I'm going to put the name of the person, event, or idea that I found. So I put Charlotte Hawkins Brown. I'm going to put my name here so I know who did it. So Miss Goodwin did this one. Then the first bullet point is going to be a little bit of a summary. So mine says Charlotte Hawkins Brown was born in Henderson, NC in 1883. She attended school in Winston-Salem to become a teacher. Her goal was to help improve lives of African Americans in the South. She opened a school in 1902 called the Palmer Memorial Institute. It became both a day school and boarding school for Black students. It taught both trades and college preparation. The school ran until 1971. Charlotte ran it herself until 1952 when she retired, and then she died in 1961. Um, and so notice that I didn't include every single, this article is a lot longer than my summary. So I didn't include every single detail about the article. I'm doing a summary, which means we're shortening and making a shorter version. And then after that, I had to write why I chose this person. So I chose Charlotte Hawkins Brown because she played a large role in education, and that is something I'm interested in because I'm a teacher. So then after I do those two things, I have to have two fun facts. So my first fun fact, the school is named after Charlotte's friend and a school benefactor, Alice Freeman Palmer. So it is mentioned in my article, but I wanted to show you down here in there's a references section, and you can go in that section and you can look for some different articles that can give you some more facts or information about your person, event, or idea. So I went down here and I saw this one that said North Carolina Historic Sites and it says Charlotte Hawkins Brown Museum. And I clicked on it and I explored this website and did my research. And I found that same fact that the school is named after Charlotte's friend. So I put that in there and I put the link to where I found it at, okay? Then my second fact, more than 2,000 African American students studied at the Palmer Institute. This fact came directly from my article, right here in my article. But you can have a fact from your Epic choice, your or your kids' library choice, or another reference as well. Okay, so then I included that link too. All right, so this is all you need, and then also your picture. Add a picture of your person, event, or idea if you can, okay? So this is my completed slide, so yours should look somewhat similar to mine when you're done. So go back if you've already done it and go back and add things if you need to and finish it up. And I'm looking forward to seeing all of your stuff, guys, okay?